Hello friends! This year I was blessed with an amazing garden harvest, and one of the things that I had so abundantly was grapes. We have 3 types of grapes and we ate a bunch, we made juice, we made jelly, and I still had so many left over that I decided to make raisins this year. I remember years ago my 80-year-old neighbor taught my children piano lessons, and every Monday we would go over to her house for piano lessons. And she had this big picture window, and her grand piano was sitting in that corner next to her window. And in the fall she would have trays of her grapes turning raisins into the sun. She'd have them sitting in that big sunny window for weeks at a time, and they'd shrivel up into raisins, and they were so delicious. And I just have a fond memory of her, my sweet neighbor, making her raisins, so I decided to try it. So I washed my grapes, then I put them in my dehydrator for about 5 days just to give them a head start, and then I put them in trays in a sunny window. And they turned out so great, so sweet and tasty. What a fun project. Then I put them in these little single packs and jars to give away. And be sure to check out my latest video because I made cinnamon raisin bread using my homemade raisins. So sweet, so delicious. This is something anyone can do at home. Just get the sweet raisins, seedless for sure. Put them in a sunny window and let them just sun away. It'll take a while, it'll take a few weeks, but just let them sun away, soak up all those nutrients, and turn into yummy, yummy raisins. Then you can put them in all sorts of recipes. You can put them in scones and cinnamon rolls, and be sure to check out my videos on the cinnamon rolls or the scones because it'd be easy to add raisins to either of those recipes. And stay tuned for more recipes coming up and more garden ideas.